Take a note of the trucks that delivered the raw burger, the rancher that raised the beef, the buyer who bought the beef, and the TV ads with Ronald McDonald. Notice the training of young, inexperienced people to say the same words hello, welcome to McDonald's, as well as Dicker of franchisee, the regional offices, the bakeries that bake the buns, and the millions of pounds of French fries that taste exactly the same all over the world. Then include stockbrokers raising money for McDonald's on Wall Street. If they can begin to understand the whole picture, then they have a chance at moving to the B or I side of the quadrant. If they can begin to understand whole picture, then they have a chance at moving to B or I side of quadrant. The reality is there are unlimited new ideas, billions of people with services or product to offer, millions of products and only a few who know how to build excellent business system. Bill Gates of Microsoft did not build a great product. He bought somebody else's product and built a powerful global system around it. The I investor. Investors make money with money. They do not have to work because their money is working for them. The I quadrant is the playground of the rich. Regardless of which quadrant people make their money in, if they hope somebody to be rich, they ultimately must come to the I quadrant. It is the I quadrant that money becomes converted to wealth. So, cash flow quadrant summarized is employee quadrant is have a job, business is be or you own a system and people work for you. S is self employed, that is you own a job, and investor is money works for you. Most of us have heard that secrets of great riches and wealth are first OPT, other people's time, and OPM, other people's money. OPT and OPM are found on the right side of the quadrant. For the most part, people who work on the left side of the quadrant are other people whose time and money is being used. The primary reason Kim and I took to build a B type of business rather than S type was because we recognized the long term benefit of others people time. One of the drawbacks to being a successful S is that success simply means more hard work. In other words, good work results in more hard work and longer hours. In designing a B type of business, success simply means increasing the system and hiring more people. In other words, you work less, earn more, and enjoy more free time. The remainder, in my experience, that being successful on the right side requires a different mindset and different technical skills. If people are flexible enough to make a mindset change, I think they will find process of achieving greater financial security or freedom easy. For other people, the process might be too difficult because many people are frozen into one quadrant, one mindset. At a minimum, you will find out why some people work less, earn more, pay less in taxes, and feel more financially secure than others. It is simply a matter of knowing which quadrant to work out of and when.